Hello, my name is Emre Çakırbaş. Today I will show you my presentation regarding my manufacturing internship. I will divide my presentation four main parts, which will be introduction, system under consideration, methodology, and finally conclusion. Let me begin with introduction. I did my internship at Simfer. Simfer has been producing midi oven and electrical heater as well as countertop stove with natural gas. Let me pass to the second main part, the system under consideration. These pictures shows you electrical heater assembling line. This one represents the midi oven assembling line. Again, midi oven assembling line. For observing the current status of the system, I used time study, simulation program, and I've taken images from workplace. In process charts, I designed countertop stove with decision-making points. Also process charts for midi oven. And finally, process chart for electrical heater. In the decision flow, the decision flow starts from sales office in Istanbul and ends with shipment. Let me jump into the third main part, which is methodology. I detected the problem and sub-problems. First, the major problem was general irregularity. General irregularity stems from those issues like dirty materials, irrelevancy between stock and line. For example, dusty burner caps and irrelevance assembly line and stock. In this picture, there was a worker who don't want to easy his job. He caused time waste. As for line balancing issue, this is the second major problem I've observed during my internship. I benefited from time study to create a simulation. This chart shows you data results of time study. I researched literature review. This is the literature review I researched about line assembling line balancing. Also, I applied 5S method like sort and sustain. As for line balancing, a new person can be assigned line balancing to give instructions to workers in the workstations. This is the final main part, which is conclusion. I concluded that decision making must be faster and the company should compromise with another firms in terms of reducing delay time. Also, QR codes would be efficient than classifying shelves thanks to the tag, normal tag. As for line balancing, we cannot do anything because of the workers' attitudes and the situation in the changing every time. This is the end of my presentation. Thank you for listening to me.